Lesson 1. The Slow Lane Trap. From the time we could read, we were told a lie. Go to school, get a job, work hard, save 10%, retire at 65. That's not a plan, Juan. That's a 40-year waiting line to maybe live free for the last 10. MJ DeMarco calls this the slow lane. You trade your time for a paycheck and hope one day compound interest will save you. But time is not a renewable resource. Every day you spend waiting is a day you'll never get back. What if freedom wasn't something you waited for, but something you built? Lesson 2. The Fast Lane Mindset. The rich don't sell time. They build systems. While the world chases comfort, fast laners chase control. They understand that every product, every app, every idea that earns while they sleep is one more step away from dependency. You can't save your way to wealth in a world that prints money faster than you can earn it. You need leverage, systems, content, or cash flow that works without you. Freedom doesn't come from working harder. It comes from working smarter once, and letting the work multiply itself. Lesson 3. The 3 sides of wealth. Wealth isn't just money. It's time, freedom, and impact. Money gives comfort. Time gives peace. Freedom gives choice. If you have money but no time, you're not rich. You're trapped in golden handcuffs. If you have time but no money, you're broke. The fast lane's purpose is to give you both, to wake up each day choosing how and why you spend your time. Lesson 4. The Fast Lane Commandments. Every fast lane empire stands on 5 pillars: need, entry, control, scale, and time. Need, solve real problems people care about. Entry, build something not everyone can copy. Control, don't rely on one platform or employer. Scale, one customer pays the bills. 1,000 customers buy your freedom. Time, build assets that keep working when you don't. Break one of these, and you're not building a fast lane. You're building a treadmill. Lesson 5. Stop chasing money. Chase value money follows value, not effort. When you stop asking, how can I make money, and start asking, how can I help? The money finds you. Every dollar earned is a vote of confidence in the value you create. Solve pain, remove friction, save time. That's what people pay for. Be the solution, not the seller. End of part 1. Lesson 6. The Sidewalk Illusion. Most people never even reach the slow lane. They're stuck on the sidewalk, where every paycheck disappears as fast as it arrives. New clothes, new phones, new debts, all to look rich while staying broke. The sidewalker asks, how much can I spend? The fast laner asks, how much can I build? Until you control your spending, you'll never control your future. Lesson 7. Your business is the vehicle. In the fast lane, your business is the car that drives you to freedom. But if your business stops when you stop, it's not a vehicle, it's a prison. Leverage systems, automation, and people. Build something once. Sell it 1,000 times. Every product, every video, every service that earns while you sleep pushes you closer to freedom. Lesson 8. The cost of waiting. Perfection is the enemy of freedom. Most people wait for the right time, the right idea, or the right partner, and years pass. Execution beats ideas. Start messy, learn fast, adjust faster. The road reveals itself after you start walking. Every day you delay, someone else builds the thing you dreamed of. Lesson 9. The millionaire formula. Wealth equals net profit. Time scale times time. You can earn $10 per sale, but sell to 1 million people, and you're a millionaire. The secret is scalability, using technology, automation, and creativity to multiply results without multiplying effort. Fast laners don't chase hours. They chase impact. Lesson 10. Freedom is a decision. Society will tell you to play safe, follow rules, wait for retirement. But the system was built to keep you working, not winning. To be broke no more, you must rebel, build, create, and invest differently. The fast lane isn't just a method, it's a mindset, a refusal to trade life for a paycheck. So stop waiting for permission. Start your engine and drive, because your freedom is not in the future. It's in your next decision. Broke no more. Your journey starts now.